Today we have Dr. Srabdi Basu as our guest who will share the challenges of a single mother.
Usually what happens is that when people separate or people go for a divorce, there's always like a kind of a blame game. But I can tell you this much, that the combination was not right.
Okay.
Right. So
So
the
you
combination.
parted mutually. There was not much of.
Yes, yes, yes,
Mm.
yes. We parted mutually. However, the
Mm.
entire responsibility of my son, I have a 9-year-old son, so the entire
Yeah.
responsibility of my son rests with me.
Okay.
So, that's why I think the challenges are much more.
Okay. So
Yeah.
he doesn't have a right to beat or.
Yeah, yeah, of course. He has visiting rights, but he's in a different state now,
Okay.
and we are in a different state. So, yeah, maybe once or twice a year he
Okay.
comes to meet my son, but the responsibility is entirely mine.
Ah, that's good. Mothers generally take the responsibility, but in many times, even the father has the visit. But depends upon the interest of the father also.
Right,
How
right.
much interest he has in the son. Many people go for another marriage also after divorce. So there are many
Mm-hmm.
different
Yes,
scenarios.
yes,
So you can't say that this.
yes.
Like just a bit of you said that you both were not compatible in your
Yeah.
thought process or lifestyle a bit, not more.
Yeah, I mean, of course, thought process is the main thing, that is
Mm.
the thing. And, like, mm, probably, I mean, he expected somebody who would be an exclusively, homemaker,
Okay.
right? So, and I am a self-made woman,
Hmm.
and I have studied, I have pursued courses. I'm very curious.
Hmm.
I think that we live to learn till the last day of our life.
Hmm.
There is something to learn,
Hmm.
and I want to put that to use.
Hmm.
So, I mean, there were many, many, like petty issues which snowballed into, a big issue, and
A mole
that's
into the
how, yeah,
mountain.
that's what happened, and it was taking a toll on the child, because children, they get very traumatized, they get very
Traumatized.
confused when
They
they
are the
see
most
that.
affected, especially
Yes,
the.
Reason of divorce was that they were not compatible to each other. The man wanted a wife who could attend to him for all the smaller things at home, whereas Shravani was a well qualified girl and she did not wanted to sit at home and wanted to pursue her career. And so she said that as time passed, she did not end the relationship abruptly. First, she separated, and when things did not work out, they both walked out on mutual consent, and the divorce was easy.